Extend kindness to the neutral people in your life, those everyday faces we often overlook. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you always catch our new meditations. Welcome back, dear LuSHiners. So far, we've planted the seeds of kindness within ourselves, deepened that warmth toward our own being, and extended it to those we love. Each stage builds like branches of a growing tree. Today, in stage 4, we open our circle wider to include people we might not think about often. Neutral people. Who are these people? Maybe it's the barista who hands you coffee in the morning, the delivery driver who drops a package at your door, the neighbor you nod to but have never spoken with. They aren't family, they aren't close friends, and they're not difficult people either. Often, we don't notice them much at all. But here's the thing, their lives matter, just like yours and mine. They know joy, they know struggle, they hope for safety and ease. Sometimes the practice of loving kindness with neutral people can feel strange at first, because we don't have much feeling about them. That's okay. That's part of the practice. The goal isn't to force emotion, but simply to acknowledge our shared humanity. Over time, you may find warmth where once there was only indifference. So let's begin. Find a position that feels comfortable for you. Sitting upright yet relaxed. Rest your hands gently in your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes if you'd like, and take 3 slow breaths. Inhale, feel your body expand. Exhale, release what you don't need. Inhale again, and exhale slowly. One last deep breath, and let your body settle. Soften your forehead. Relax your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Allow your shoulders to drop. Feel your chest open and your belly soften. Release any tightness in your hips. And let your legs and feet rest heavily on the ground. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Steady, effortless. Before we extend outward, let's reconnect with the warmth inside. Bring one hand gently to your heart if that feels right. Repeat inwardly, may I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Imagine a soft golden light in your heart. Warm, calm, alive. Each breath nourishes it, and it begins to glow brighter, filling your chest with kindness. Now, bring to mind a neutral person, someone you see but don't know well. Maybe the cashier at the grocery store, the person who collects your trash, a coworker you rarely speak with, someone ordinary in your daily or weekly life. Hold their image lightly. You don't need every detail, just a simple sense of them being there. And remember, this person too is living their life. They have hopes, struggles, loved ones, dreams, just like you. Now, silently repeat these phrases for them. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. Let the words flow with your breath. With each repetition, imagine the golden light in your heart extending outward, surrounding this person in gentle warmth. If you'd like, bring another neutral person to mind. Perhaps someone you pass on the street, or the voice you hear when you call customer service. Someone who drifts at the edges of your awareness. Hold them gently in your mind and offer the same wishes. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. If no image comes easily, that's perfectly fine. You can simply imagine a faceless, neutral figure and let your words be the gift. Notice what it feels like to wish well for these people. Even if warmth hasn't fully arrived yet, the practice itself is powerful. Like planting seeds in soil you don't see beneath the surface. Something is taking root. Allow yourself to linger here, breathing kindness outward. Now, gently return the warmth back toward yourself. Imagine the light around these people dissolving back into your heart, where it remains steady and alive. Rest for a few quiet breaths. When you're ready, bring awareness to your body. Notice the weight of your hands, the rise and fall of your breath, the contact of your body with the chair or floor. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. You've just practiced something subtle but deeply meaningful, extending kindness to people we usually overlook. Every time you do this, you're softening the boundaries between yourself and the wider world. Remember, it's normal if this stage feels less emotional than earlier ones. Be patient. Even neutral kindness has the power to transform your heart over time. If this meditation felt helpful, please give it a like so more people can discover it. Subscribe so you don't miss Stage 5, where we'll face the challenge of sending compassion even to difficult people. And if you know someone who would appreciate these practices, share this journey with them. You are growing something truly beautiful within, and each stage strengthens those roots of compassion.